Hi, I'm Brittany with Beautifully Connected. I'm a birth doula, massage therapist, and I practice herbals with the Wise Woman method. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the hip squeezes. That is like the biggest tool in the doula tool bag. So for the hip squeeze, what you're going to do is just take the hips and squeeze them. The idea of this is when you squeeze this, this part of the pelvis moves up and the pelvic outlet widens. So that can help baby get better engaged in the pelvis, and if you're doing this during labor, it can actually help speed labor along. So normally when you do the hip squeeze, you're going to take your little arms and squeeze into the mom's pelvis. That's absolutely horrible for me because I have little noodly arms that are not very strong. So instead, today I'm going to show you an easy way to do the hip squeeze with the Rebozo. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the middle and we're going to put this around your back, kind of where your pockets would be at. And we're going to pull with our body weight. How does that feel?
It feels really good on the hips.
So this is really good because I don't have to use my arms to do this, and I'm just using my body weight. So I could literally hip squeeze you for like hours. It's amazing. Okay.
So if you only have one other person, how do you?
So you can hold this side if you wanted. This makes it a little bit more difficult, but I could still pull with my body weight and you could hang on. Or you could even put a little spoon or a stick in there and tie it and twist it around and around. So that would work too. So you can do the hip squeezes without the Rebozo. If you will, could you just face that way? But it's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. I have like noodle arms. They're like really squishy and not strong. So hip squeezes without the Rebozo are like you're pushing into the hips. Does that feel the same?
Not really.
Because I have noodle arms. This is why.
I mean, it feels good to have the pressure, but you feel the difference. This feels...
It's like a hug on your pelvis.
And then you've got this pressure point.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Also, if you have any questions about holistic health, be sure to put those in the comments for me.